Hello students, I am going to start topic the function, chapter 1, the relation function. In that chapter, our topic is function. Function function. Can you define function? Function mean each element of domain has unique image in the codomain. Each element of domain function 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Image of 1 is 4, image of 2 is 5, image of 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, this is called domain, and this whole set is called codomain. The whole set is called codomain, and the element 4, 5, 6 is called the range. Element 4, 5, 6, that is called range. And you know that range is the subset of codomain. Range is the subset of codomain. Clear? Again, what is function? Function means each element of domain has unique image in the codomain. Each element of domain has unique image in the codomain. Image of 1, 4. Image of 2, 5. Image of 3, 6. For example, the function is x is equal x plus 3. When you put here 1, the result is 4. When you put here 2, the result is 5. When you put here 3, the result is 6. Clear? Then you can see the image of 1 is 4 and the pre-image of 4 is 1. Image of 2 is 5 and the pre-image of 5 is 2. Image of 3 is 6 and the pre-image of 6 is 3. Clear? And this is the main point. Range is equal and the subset of codomain. Range is the subset of codomain. Now the type of function. Type of function. Number 1. One function. Number 1. One function. One function means one function mean each element of domain has unique image. That is called one. That is called one. Suppose the function from A to B, this is set A and this is set B, F. You can say here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the example of one function. Each element of domain has unique image, only one image. And how can you prove the one function? Let x1, x2 belongs to A here domain such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. With the help of this, if you prove that x1 is equal to x2, x1 is equal to x2, then you can say function is 1 function. Function is 1 function. Clear? If the function is not 1, if the function is not 1, then it is called many one. Second, many one function. If the function is not 1, then it is called many one. Or you can say 1, 2 or more than 2 element. 2 or more than 2 element have the same image. For example, the function mapping from A to B. You know that 1, 2, 3, that is 4, 5, like this. This is called a many one function. Many one. Because you know that the element 1 and 2 have the same image. If 2 element or more than 2 element have the same image, then you can say it is many one function. Clear? And the third type is onto function. Third type is onto function. Onto function. Function from A to B. Onto function means every element of codomain has some premise in the domain. Every element of codomain has some premise in the domain. Then you can say function is onto. Or second method, if you prove that range is equal to codomain. If you prove that range is equal to codomain, then you can say the function is onto. Clear? If the function is not onto, this is the example of 1 as well as onto. This is the example of 1 as well as onto. You know that if function is 1 as well as onto, that is called bijective function. Bijective function. Bijective function. Bijective function means the function which is 1 as well as onto. 1 and onto both. The bijective function, the function which is 1 as well as onto. Then you can say it is bijective function. Suppose if the function is not 1, if the function is not 1, then no need to prove the function is onto. Because in that if function is not 1, then it is not bijective. It is not bijective. So it means both conditions satisfied. If both conditions satisfied, 1 as well as onto, then you can say it is bijective function. And the another name of bijective function, that is invertible function. The function which is invertible, that is called bijective function. And you know that if the function is not onto, if the function is not onto 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, if the function is not onto, then it is called into function. Into function. This function. What is the definition of into function? At least one element in the codomain which has no premise in the domain. At least one element Now you know that the element 7 has no premise. The element 7 has no premise, therefore it is called into. Clear? Again, if the function is not 1, then it is called many one. If the function is not onto, then it is called into function. Clear? This is the concept of function. Now we solve some question based on these results. Question number 1. F of x is equal to 1 by x. Function from R star to R star. R star mean the set of real number, except 0. Set of real number except 0. If we want to prove that it is 1 1 or not, let x1, x2 belongs to R star, that is domain such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So from this relation, can you tell me f of x1? That is 1 by x1. It is 1 by x2. Cross multiply, you will get x1 is equal to x2. If x1 is equal to x2, then you can say hence function is 1 1. Now can you tell me the image of the image of 2. The image of 2, when you put here 2, the image of 2 is 1 by 2. And the image of 1 by 3, when you put here 1 by 3, 1 upon 1 by 3, that is 3. Clear? With the help of this function, you can find the image of the number. And for onto function, let y is equal to f of x. Let y is equal to f of x. Put here y. You know that y is equal to f of x. Now express x in terms of y. Can you write like this? Express x in terms of y. Now, if y belongs to R star means codomain. R star means codomain. Then x belongs to R star domain. Clear? If you take any element from the codomain, the premise of codomain lies in the domain, or you can say range is equal to codomain. Then this is onto function. Hence you can say function is onto function. Now can you tell me the premise of 7? Or can you tell me the premise of 7? Premise of 7. When you premise of 7, that is 1 by 7. That is 1 by 7. When you put here 1 by 7, the result is 7. The premise of 10. Can you tell me the premise of 10? That is 1 by 10. And the premise of 1 by 5. Premise of 1 by 5. You can put here 5. Premise of 1 by 5. That is premise of 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is if you put here 5. Then it becomes 1 by 5. Clear? So therefore the premise of 1 by 5, that is 5. Clear? So now you can say this function is 1 1 as well as onto. This function is 1 1 as well as onto. So overall you can say it is bijective function. It is bijective function. Clear? Next. Question number second. Question number second. The function from n to n f of x is equal to 2x. Check it is 1 1 or onto. Check it is 1 1 or onto. For 1 1, let x1 x2 belongs to n. N mean here domain. N mean here domain. Such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x1, can you tell me from here? F of x1, that is, and just put the value of x1, that is 2x1 is equal to 2x2. 2 to 2 cancel, and x1 is equal to x2. Hence, you can say function is 1 1. 4 onto, put in place of f of x, put y is equal to 2x. Now express x in terms of y. Express x in terms of y. If you know that y belongs to n mean here codomain. When you put any element from the codomain, codomain natural number, set of natural number already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. When you put here 3, it will become 3 by 2. But you know that 3 by 2 not belongs to the natural number. When y is equal to 3, then x is equal to 3 by 2, that not belongs to the natural number. So overall you can say this is some true for some value and sometime not true for other values. So overall you can say then you can say x not belongs to natural number domain if only one value which not satisfy, correct? It means, or you can say, if any number in the codomain which has no preimage, then the function is not onto. Clear? Hence function is not onto. You know that the function is 1 1, but it is not onto. The function is 1 1, but it is not onto. So then overall you can see it is not bijective function. It is not bijective function. Clear? Now again for 1 1, this is the main condition. You have to choose two elements, x1 and x2, which belongs to natural number. Natural number, it means domain. This is domain. Such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Just put the value here in the original function. 2x1 is equal to x2. x1 is equal to x2. If you prove x1 is equal to x2, so on the basis of this result, you can say the function is 1 1. And for onto, put y here. In place of f of x, put y, and then it becomes y is equal to 2x, and express x in terms of y. Then x is equal to y by 2. And if y belongs to codomain, because we want to check every element of codomain has some image in the domain or not. So if y belongs to n codomain, when you put here 3, then 3, it becomes 3 by 2. 3 by 2 not belongs to natural number, correct? You can check for any another number. When you put here 5, then 5 by 2. 5 by 2 also not belongs to natural number. It means overall you can say the x not belongs to natural number, that is domain. So hence function is not onto. If function is not onto, then it is not bijective. Thank you.